Good day, ma'am. Good day, classmate. This is my report. My report is all about respiration. The under of respiration that assigned to me is atmospheric gases. Respiration. Respiration is the breakdown of food reserve. And these are the atmospheric gases involved in this topic: oxygen, carbon dioxide, and ethylene. As respiration requires oxygen from the atmosphere, decrease available oxygen will reduce respiration rates. In plants, this normally occurs in the root zones in waterlogged and poorly drained soils. Under these conditions, cells will use anaerobic respiration or fermentation, which does not require oxygen. Carbon dioxide, one of the waste product of the respiration process, also affects respiration. The higher the concentration of carbon dioxide, the lower the rate of respiration. Carbon dioxide is also used to measure the rate of respiration, described as the quantity of carbon dioxide in milligram produced by 1 kilogram of plant material in 1 hour. Ethylene, colorless flammable gas with a faint sweet and musky odor when pure. It is also used for ripening of fruits. The hydrate of ethylene is ethanol. Low O2 reduces respiration. We need to know what is the correct respiration to avoid damage, and this is the formula of respiration. Very low O2 is harmful due to anaerobic respiration. Oxygen is very important, so it can't be low. Try to maintain the need oxygen to avoid harmful. Anaerobic respiration or fermentation. Anaerobic respiration is using electron acceptor other than molecular oxygen. Although oxygen is not the final electron acceptor, the process still uses a respiratory electron transport chain. Anaerobic respiration is the same process used to produce breads, yogurts, wine, and beer. However, it is a less efficient method of respiration and plants cannot survive for long periods using this alone. Fermentation is a metabolic process that produces chemical changes in organic substrates through the action of enzymes. The formula of anaerobic respiration is below. Harmful effects of odor, of flavor, cell death due to the ethanol formation seen as localized browning. Harmful effects of anaerobic respiration of flavor are taints in food products caused by the presence of undesirable compounds. An odor that is not natural or up to standard owing deterioration of contamination. If there's a lot of ethanol that person put in the fruit will damage and the color become brown. It is common that the fruit that has damage, the color become brown. High CO2 retards respiration, can control pathogen growth. The high CO2 can control organisms that can produce disease. This is an important tool in developing disease management. But very high CO2 is harmful. CO2 injury. Low oxygen, high carbon dioxide is not good. That's why high CO2 is harmful and can cause damage in the plants or in our harvest. Knowing the low O2 and high CO2 tolerance for each produced enables slowing respiration while avoiding anaerobic metabolism. The low oxygen and high carbon dioxide can cause slowing respiration, but it can avoid anaerobic metabolism. Last two, regulating O2 and CO2 level is the basis of controlled atmosphere CA and modified atmosphere MA storage. Regulating O2 and CO2 can control atmosphere and modified atmosphere storage. This is the last is show the normal respiration, because the normal respiration is 1 to 5% of O2 and 1 to 10% CO2 can be caused in CA normal atmosphere 21% O2 and 0.03% CO2. That's all. Thank you.